Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links from this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using the site. In this video, we're taking a look at PropertyNest, found at https://propertynest.com. PropertyNest aims to simplify the often complex and stressful process of finding an apartment. They provide a platform where renters can search for available properties, compare listings, and even apply for apartments, all in one place. This can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're juggling multiple applications or searching in a competitive rental market. PropertyNest collaborates with a wide network of property managers and landlords, offering a broad selection of apartments for rent. Their search filters allow you to refine your results based on criteria like budget, desired amenities, pet policies, and location. This targeted approach helps narrow down the options and focus on places that truly fit your needs. Beyond simply searching, PropertyNest also offers resources and tools to guide you through the rental process. They provide information on topics like lease agreements, renters' rights, and moving tips. Having this readily available can empower renters and ensure they're well-informed throughout their apartment hunt. In addition, PropertyNest features a blog packed with helpful articles and advice for renters. From navigating the application process to tips for apartment living, these resources can be valuable for both first-time renters and seasoned tenants. One of the key features of PropertyNest is its personalized recommendations. By understanding your preferences and search criteria, they can suggest properties that align with your needs, potentially saving you time and effort in your search. For those seeking more hands-on assistance, PropertyNest offers concierge services. This personalized support can be particularly helpful for individuals relocating to a new city or those who simply prefer a more guided approach. Their team can assist with everything from scheduling tours to negotiating lease terms. While PropertyNest offers a comprehensive platform for finding an apartment, it's important to remember that rental markets vary significantly across different regions. Availability and pricing can fluctuate, and it's always wise to conduct thorough research and due diligence before committing to any lease agreement. Overall, PropertyNest presents a useful resource for renters looking to streamline their apartment search. Their platform combines a vast database of listings with helpful tools and resources, aiming to make the entire process more efficient and less stressful. Be sure to check out the link in the description and explore PropertyNest for yourself.